Today I am reviewing this heated jacket, which I am super excited about. Perfect for this time of year, perfect for gifts, for yourself or for somebody you care about if they have to be outside in the cold. This is a really great jacket. It has this super soft material that's on the inside and the outside. Almost like a velour, like really, really soft and comfortable. Nice sturdy zipper if you're outside and it's cold and you need a sturdy zipper that's actually not going to get caught up on things, which this one is very nice. I am 5'9", 145 pounds, and I ordered a medium, and I think it fits me pretty perfectly. I still have room to wear vest or sweater under if I want to, but it's not too big. My favorite thing about this jacket is not only the different heat settings, but where the different heat elements are. It's got heaters in the very front. It has them along the back, and my favorite one is right up here at the very back of your neck. It feels really great against your neck. Here you have the control, currently lit to green. You can change the adjustments individually on all of them. There's a low, medium, and a high setting. And depending on where you want the heat, like here I've got the hottest heat on my back, the lowest heat in my front, and then the medium on my neck. So you can adjust these to however you want it. Then turn it off and just wear it as a normal jacket as well. The power is located just inside this pocket, as you can see here. Easily removable so you can recharge it. Has a really long battery life, so it's going to take care of you all day. Comes with this extra sturdy charging cable that I love, comes from the side instead of plugging in directly out, then that way it gets tangled and ripped on the side. This is a great design, lightweight, fits easily in here, and you won't even know it's there. It does come with a bag that you can use to machine wash it, that way it stays together. Perfect winter purchase, whether you live in California like we do, it gets pretty cold here, or if you live somewhere where it's really cold in the winter, I think this would be a great gift for the holidays. Highly recommended, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.